Okay, so hello everyone. Yeah, my name is Fauzan Fitra and I'm from 11F1. So today, like usually, I will do my own summary video and I will take you into on a journey and we will talk about a computer. But we today we don't just talk about the company which is selling a computer. No, we don't. But we will talk about some more interest topic, and we talking about how computers or how company can change people lifestyle. Okay, so for more clearly, let's we imagine first. Yeah, imagine we are in 2000 years, which is most computers are sold with big size, messy, and warehouse. Yeah, the computer is just being box and just used for work, not like right now. Yeah, we know that the computers like now is can we can use for editing, for playing games, study or the others. But in the 2000 years, the computer just using for work. Nah, see this condition. There's two people that have a different things. Yeah, the people is Steve Jobs and Johnson. You know, if there is a Steve Jobs name, of course the article we will talk about the Apple. Yeah, today's summary is talk about the Apple stores, which is the 13 case summary, and yeah, let's be back. So Steve Jobs and Ron Johnson have a different dreams. They want to create a place that the place is didn't just sell a thing, but a place that could enrich life. Yeah, in case 13 from Harvard Business School, this case, we will talk about the digital hub strategy from Apple, the magic of the Genius Bar, and the secret behind the Apple Happy Workers. Yeah, which is actually workers, Apple workers is really happy work on the Apple, and the reason, yeah, we will, yeah, the reason, yeah, we'll discuss together. Okay, and of course, I will connect the lesson into our program. It's international sorry, it's international class program or ICB. Okay, let's go. First, let's we talk about the big the first let's we talk about the big inflection point. Back then, the computer industry was commoditized. It means people bought a computer based only on the lower price and only for work. They don't think about what the computer could create with it. Sorry, I will repeat. They don't think about what they could create with a computer. Yeah, because they only think a computer is used just for a work, not the others. Nah, because Steve Jobs saw this thing is different and he introduced the digital hub strategy. He believed the Mac should be center of your digital life. When you when you use Mac, or I think it's MacBook, when you use Mac, it can connect with your camera, with your music, with your movies, and with your photos. But there was a problem because in normal store sorry, because in normal store, the staff did know how to explain this. They don't know how to explain about the lifestyle and about the lifestyle like connecting into the camera, photos and the others like I said before. So for fix this problem, Apple builds its own store to empower the customer. Like they shift the message from, or they change the image from what the computer can do for you into what you can do with the computer. And they use a slogan, everything is easier on Mac, to make the people feel welcome with with new Apple products. And these stores weren't just selling about these stores weren't just selling computer, but they were designed to let the people engage with the technology. So in here, Apple did want you to just buy a box or just buy a computer, but Apple want you to buy a new lifestyle. Okay, now let's we look inside into the Apple Store. The Apple Store is very different from a normal store. The Apple Store is very different with a normal store. This shop, this shop is experiential space for the customer because there are two magic element or two genius strategy inside of the store. Like the first is the genius bar, and the genius bar is a place when you can ask a question and get help. Nah, the staff are called genius because they sit with you at the bar with stool and water. They're solving your problem one to one, and if they are stuck, they have a red telephone, which is it can use to call the expert and on the head office. And at the back of the store, there are a big 10-foot screen. Apple using this for workshop and serial called Made on Make. They invite a real movies, markers, and photographers to show how they use Apple product as a lifestyle. So, because of this, this is will a community. People don't just visit into the Apple Store to shopping, but they visit to learn about. Sorry, they visit for learn and meet other people who want to think different. Yeah, think about lifestyle. Okay. So, how does Apple keep the workers so happy and very low people life? Yeah, in the most retail shop, workers are live very quickly, and this called staff turnover because usually it's 50% until 80% per year workers are turnover, but at the Apple it's very low. Why? Because in the first years it's only 30 37 people out of 2005 left. And how Apple can do this? Because when Apple is uh, find workers, Apple doesn't just hire a sales people, no, but Apple hire a make enthusiasts or make fans uh, for or make fans to work on their company. For these workers, it is a dream. It is the dream that come true to work for the Apple, and every employee create a small and every create a small card, and it's called the Cardo. It's called the Credo. It say their their mission is to enrich life. They are trying to give you a ride. It a short, fun interaction that can make you smile. They are non-pushy. They are non-pushing. They are not push you, because their goal is to help you, not just to take your money. Okay. Now let's talk a lot about the. Now let's uh, talk about us, the ICP International Class Program. We can learn so much from the Apple High Thoughts. Like first is the Genius Bar. Yeah, the Genius Bar. We can implementation the Genius Bar in our classroom. Yeah, first let's think about our teachers. Our teachers. They are like our genius. When we are confused about a lesson or material, we can go to them and for one-to-one advice. So we can ask anything about the teacher, and the teacher is helping us. And it's not just about a grade. It's about solve solving our problems together. Nah, and for our grade 11 grade students who are doing projects, we can follow the Apple staff models. We should be pushed by leading others. Instead, we should be educational. We should show how our friend the value of projects, just like the Apple show the value of the digital hub. Yeah, we know in ICP we building a community where every student is an enthusiast and success. Okay. So to conclude, cast 13, talk me to something deeper about the organization leadership. Yeah, it's not just about selling a product, it's about having a soul and mission. And my personal takeaway is that brand distinctiveness comes from human connection. Apple's success because they treat their employees like missionaries and their customer like communities members. Yeah, whatever we are just we are studying with McGraw Hill or leading on the ICP event, we must remember that with the shortest distance between idea and success, it's a community that support each other. Let's just be a student. Let's not just being a normal student, but let's be genius who enrich the life of everyone around us. Yeah, I think that's it. Sorry if uh, there is a wrong word from me because I'm still learn about the English vocabulary and others, and maybe uh, that's kind of weird. Okay, so thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.